Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcake drawing easy. First, let's establish the basic structure. Begin by sketching a wide U-shape. This forms the base of your cupcake liner. Above this, draw a gently curved line to complete the top edge of the liner. Finally, add a soft, rounded dome on top of the liner for the delicious cake portion. This simple foundation makes the rest of the drawing much easier to build upon. Now, let's give our cupcake liner some texture and depth. Draw several vertical lines extending from the top edge of the liner down to its base. Don't make them perfectly even. Varying the spacing slightly will create a more natural, crinkled effect. At the very top of each fold, add a tiny, subtle curve. This small detail helps to suggest the three-dimensional quality of the paper liner, making it appear less flat. Next, it's time for the most exciting part, the frosting. Begin by sketching a beautiful, wavy and swirled line to define the top edge of your frosting. Think about how real frosting pipes out. For extra fun, add tiny dots or small dashes to represent sprinkles, giving your cupcake a festive feel. You could also place a single cherry or a small candy right on top for a delightful finishing touch. This really brings your drawing to life. To make your cupcake drawing truly pop, let's add some shading and highlights. Apply light shading underneath the frosting where it meets the cake and also within the folds of the liner. This creates depth and makes your cupcake look more three-dimensional. For a glossy, appealing finish, add tiny white highlights on the frosting and the top of the liner. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. These small details elevate your drawing significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.